guys! Good day to all of you! Today, I'll make a cake. I'll make strawberry cake. It's springtime. Tomorrow is the start of the springtime. So, it's also the season of strawberries. So, I would like to share this recipe with you. The strawberry cake. Here are the strawberries, and you cut them into small pieces or slice them into small pieces. The first thing to do is sugar. Is to pour sugar. Okay. So I'm using vanilla powder. So this is vanilla powder. I'll add it. This is to add flavor to the cake. It gives a good fragrance. And also, but if you have natural vanilla essence from a really vanilla plant, then much better. So the next thing to add are the eggs. Three large eggs. It's ready to give it a whisk. I'm using a hand mixer. And then I'll add yogurt. This is unflavored yogurt. And then the oil, seed oil. And then let's mix them all. I'll use this, what's this? A strainer, or yeah, so that we will strain the flour. This is the last portion of the flour, and we add also, this is the baking powder. We add also. We strain it too. Where is the... We also add a pinch of salt, just a pinch, really pinch of salt. And the last thing to add is a zest of 1 lemon. Why is it that they often add lemon zest in their cakes here in Italy? It's because, this is only my research, it helps in the digestion, and also aside from the health benefits that it gives to the body, right? We know that lemon is a marvelous fruit. It's enough. So, okay. We'll add half of the strawberry bits. Okay. And the other half, we'll spread them on the surface of the cake. It's time to pour the batter. Distribute the batter evenly. I'll use my hands to distribute these pieces of strawberry on the batter. In the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until it's done. So, the strawberry cake is done. It's done. I'll open it now. Drizzle the top with baking powder. Here it is. It's tasting time. It's tasting time. Let's taste if the cake that I made is really good. So here is my pork.